Hey guys, what's up? This is Adventure Chariot signing in. I'm somewhere around Ramnagar, toughest off-road ever did. Just wanted to make a video on the luggage carrier, which I have installed it recently. I have customized this, so I'll just show you guys how it actually looks like. Let me place the seat there. So this is the carrier mod I have did. So guys, here we used to get the iron grab rails here in the stock bike. Yeah, on the both side I have removed both the grab rails and done this mod. It looks good guys on the bike, especially if you are a tourer. I highly recommend it to do this thing. So this is Studs universal luggage carrier, which comes to Bullet, Royal Enfield Bullet classic bikes. So basically I didn't get the direct fitting luggage carrier for Jigsaw, the old models. So I was like, I searched it everywhere guys. I didn't get it even in a single shop or even in the online. So I decided to make a custom carrier. So this is the custom one. So this is the Studs luggage carrier. I got it in the JC Road for around 650 rupees. I got it to a local fabricator nearby. He's a known guy to me, so I got it to him and told him I need this installed in this section. So he removed the grab rails and took some measurements. He cut this part. This part was like very lengthy till here, from here to here. So he cut it into two pieces here in the off, and he made some measurements and put that metal here. He has welded it here. I hope you can see this. This is the welded part, both the side, and he had put some two hole here according to the grab rail, the same way, and it has made a direct fitting. I can remove it, install it whenever I need. So I can remove this and install it. It's a plug and play thing, so it serves my purpose guys. This one is like very sturdy. It can carry up to 10 to 15 kgs of weight. You can tie your luggage, bags, and a pillion can also sit comfortably here without any back pain issues for some long stretches. So he or she will not feel any what do you say, stressed much. So I'm really happy with the custom luggage carrier made myself. I have a plan to give it a top box in the future. Maybe I'll go with the Shad SH29, where I can place one single helmet and gloves, so that it will help me a lot in if I'm somewhere around doing some trekking. I can place all my helmets and gloves there and trek peacefully. So that will be useful thing. And so this total modification costed me around 650 for the luggage carrier and around 250 for the fabricator. So around 800 to 900 rupees of is the price that I've spent. So it's a beautiful and strong, sturdy material. You can see here there is a slight gap here. I hope you guys will not be able to see this, but there is a slight gap. It doesn't touch the rear part. And let me show you how this looks. Let me install the seat. So by the way, I have modified the seat too. You can, if you are an owner of Jigsaw, you can go check it out, the other video which I have modified the seat. The link will be on the right side. You can click that one and go ahead, get it modified. This is how the luggage carrier looks like guys. What do you think? Let me give you a 360 view. These fog lights, everything has been modified. The LED indicators and flasher, everything is installed guys. You can go check it out. All the videos will be in the channel. So this is how the luggage carrier looks like. So basically it's for touring. I usually tour a lot on the highways, and if I am with a pillion some or the other time, this thing will be very useful, and that's the reason I went for this customization. So if you guys need any help, if you are around Bangalore, you can leave a comment down, and I'll guide you through how to get this installed. So it's a must, guys. Even a pillion sitting here has a little bit of back support, and yeah, totally a worthy modification. So what do you guys think? Give it a like, share, and comment if you like the video, and share it to the owners of Jigsaw if you're having a friend who owns a Jigsaw. So it will be helpful if he or she will be touring a lot. So that's all, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.